Hello students, here we are discussing derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions, and now we are going to prove if y is equal to sine inverse of x, if value of x lies between minus 1 to 1 and this y lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So first write down this here. So y is equal to sine inverse of x. Now again rearranging this. So we have sine of y is equal to x. Now differentiate d by dx of sine y is equal to, now derivative of sine is cos, so I am writing here cos of y, and again y is a function of x, so dy by dx, and derivative of x is 1. Again move this term there, and therefore dy by dx is equal to, now we know the identity sine square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. So again move this term. So cos square y is equal to 1 minus sine square y, and taking square root, so we have y. Now cos y, this y angle lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this cos y is positive in first and fourth quadrant because domain is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So we will consider this positive value. So this is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus sine square y, and again means this x. So again final answer is under root 1 minus x square. So here I am writing d by dx of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 over root 1 minus x square. These are the derivatives of standard inverse trigonometric functions. So we have these 6 formulae. Now d by dx of sine inverse of x equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and here only difference is of minus sign. These two are also same, only difference is of minus sign. These two are also same, only difference is of minus sign. So that means you have to learn only these 3 formulae. These are derivatives of composite functions which are same as standard functions, but x is replaced by fx here, and f dash x is attached everywhere, and these two formulae are same, only difference is of minus sign. Here these two are same, here also difference is of minus sign, and these two are also same. So learn and write. Before solving exercise, first look at these rules. First rule is sine of sine inverse of x. Now here the value of x ranges from minus 1 to 1. So in this case sine and sine inverse get cancelled and only x remains. Now second rule is same, but outside term is sine inverse. So here also sine inverse and sine get cancelled. Now here theta means angle, and here only theta remains. Now look at the second rule. Sine 90 minus theta equal to cos of theta. You know this. And cos 90 minus theta equal to sine theta. Now you know these trigonometric functions. So this rule is true for this pair. So same this rule is true for this pair also and for this pair also. Means secant of 90 minus theta equal to cosecant of theta. So again one more rule is that sine inverse of x equal to cosec inverse of 1 upon x. Same rule for this. Cos inverse of x equal to sec inverse of 1 upon x, and tan inverse of x equal to cot inverse of 1 upon x. You have to write and learn these rules. Now let's solve type 1 from exercise 1.2, and our first example is this one. Now here this log of x means function of x, so we will assume this is tan inverse of fx, and so while differentiating we will use tan inverse of fx formula, which is this. So only here we will replace f of x by log of x. So this is equal to 1 upon 1 plus log of x bracket square, and again d by dx of log of x. Now this step as it is, so I am writing, and derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. So in the last step we will write this x here, and so again 1 upon x, and we will write this as 1 plus log of x bracket square, which is our final answer. Now let's solve second example, and here this again can be written as sine inverse of root x and raised to 4. This index we have written here. Now by the rule, this sine and sine inverse get cancelled, and so that is equal to root of x raised to 4. Now this raised to 4 means again x square, so this is simplest form of the function. Now differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square is 2x. Very easy. Now this is our third example, and here we will consider this as f of x. So we will write formula for cos inverse of fx. So its derivative is this. So here we will replace now fx by 1 minus x square in the next step, and so that is equal to again f dash x means derivative of this, so d by dx of 1 minus x square. Now we will expand this bracket, so here under root 1, and here derivative of this is minus 2x. Since 1 is constant, its derivative 0. Now again in the next step, this minus minus plus, so here 2x upon root. Now solve this again, 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 2x square, and again minus x raised to 4, and so plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. From these two terms we will take x square common, and out of the radical sign it will become x under root. Now here 2 minus, and here x square remaining. Now again upside downside this x get cancelled, and so final answer is 2 upon root 2 minus x square. Now these are type 2 examples from exercise 1.2, and in this example we can see function of a function of a function. So first we will simplify this by using rule, and so this cot inverse and cot get cancelled, and therefore y is equal to e raised to x square. Now again we will consider x square as function of x, so while differentiating we will use e raised to fx formula. Therefore differentiating dy by dx is equal to e raised to fx as it is first, and again d by dx of this function means x square. So again in the next step, that is equal to e raised to x square into derivative of this is 2x, and so finally you put this here, and so 2x e raised to x square. This is our second example, and here also first we will simplify the function. So here we will use cos 2 theta formula. We know, so cos inverse of root, we will write 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2. So here upon 2, and now these two get cancelled, and under radical symbol this square term is there, so only cos of x by 2 will remain. So cos inverse of, again by using rule, this cos inverse and cos get cancelled, and so only x by 2 remains. And now this is simplest form, and differentiating we have dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2 is constant, and derivative of x is 1, and so final answer is 1 upon 2. Now let's try and solve this example, and here outside term is tan inverse, so we will convert this bracket as tan of something. So we will use here equal to tan of alpha minus beta. We will use this formula. Now again here 1 is there, so instead of 1 we will use tan of pi by 4. So again this can be written as y is equal to tan inverse of, I am writing here tan pi by 4 minus tan of x by 2 upon 1 plus is there, so 1 plus, but here there are two terms, so here I am considering tan of x by 2 as 1 into tan of x by 2, and again instead of 1 we will write tan of pi by 4 into tan of x by 2. Now by using this formula we have tan inverse of, here I am writing tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2, and again by the rule this tan inverse tan gets cancelled, and so simplest form is pi by 4 minus x by 2. And now differentiate with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to, since pi by 4 is constant, its derivative 0, minus this half is constant, and derivative of x is 1, so final answer is minus 1 upon